Hello Dixons, my name is Sarah Clynes and I am Vice Principal for Personal Development at Dixons Unity Academy.
Hello Dixons, my name is Angi, Germain. I am Safeguarding Community Officer at Dixons Unity Academy. I'm also on the Board of Trustees at the New Wortley Community Centre.
One component of our 2 to 5 year master plan is for Dixons Unity to be seen as a community hub that supports families in the local area. First and foremost, we do this because it's the right thing to do. And it's the right thing to do for a lot of reasons. One clear data-driven reason is that we know that schools with close links to their communities have stronger community relationships and higher attendance. Recent research from Impact Ed indicates that belonging is a key factor in children's attendance at school, and we believe that building close relationships with the community is a good building block for fostering that feeling of belonging for the whole family, not just the student. With this in mind, developing parental and community links has been a big move for us over the past year. Today, Angi and I would like to share with you some of the ways in which we have fostered links and relationships with our community through our Unity community, in service of our ultimate aim to challenge educational disadvantage and to support our students to live happy and purposeful lives.
In April 2023, we opened the doors to our Unity community. The Unity community is open every Friday morning and offers a food pantry, community cafe and uniform exchange. We have a play area for preschool aged children, a well-stocked library of both books, games and frequently run activities, such as craft sessions. We have regular visitors from different services, such as the council and MyMate. And we have established a link with the Department of Work and Pensions with the dedicated member of staff who attends every week and offers advice regarding work and benefits. Parents can now book into this service and the advice and guidance provided has been invaluable in securing vital financial support for some of our families. We have a contract with locally run non-for-profit organisation Rethink Food to deliver food that otherwise would go to waste each week and supplement this with a donation cage from a local Morrison's. Sometimes topping up with staff donations and items we know our families will appreciate. For £1, we provide a bag of shopping, which families can add with fresh produce of their choice.
In the planning stages of setting up the Unity community, we utilise the education programme of Rethink Food to get students involved in a competition to choose a name and logo for our Unity community and to plan the launch. This collaboration has led to opportunities for some of our students to contribute to Rethink Food's promotional and educational materials, as well as offering an opportunity to spotlight the benefits of sustainability and waste reduction to our whole student body.
Having a dedicated weekly slot where parents know they will have access to a range of staff, services and most importantly a warm welcome with tea and cake and a listening ear has proved popular. We have established a core group of families who attend on a regular basis, and we are always really pleased when new parents attend. Having access to our safeguarding team and a senior leader has meant that we've been able to offer immediate support in some difficult circumstances and have been able to address issues raised quickly, something we know parents value. We contact and encourage families who we know we can offer support to attend, and this has allowed us to foster positive and supportive relationships with families. We have managed to open nearly every single week since April 2023, with staff kindly volunteering to support during the summer and Christmas holidays.
One aspect of our community work that we are very proud of at Dixons Unity is our Christmas dinner boxes. Each Christmas since 2020, we have offered families a box containing all the ingredients and instructions for Christmas dinner for a family of 6. We have funded this through donations from staff, their friends and families, local businesses and, this year, from money raised from our winter fair. This has allowed us to provide Christmas dinner for more than 320 families since 2020. We have established links with the community champion at our local Morrison's to secure a discount on our order and have received additional donations of goods from Tailors of Harrogate in recent years. Our Christmas dinner boxes are an opportunity for us to show families that we really care and have often allowed us to foster or even repair a relationship with a family. This year, we recognise that the need for some of our families extended beyond a dinner, and Angi secured us more than 100 Christmas presents, many of which were donated from the Salvation Army and St George's Crypt. Some of our staff and students were involved in the process of wrapping presents and packing dinner boxes and staff-made deliveries. It is a privilege to be able to offer tangible support to families at this time of the year.
Opening our doors through the Unity community has had so many benefits. We have made links with numerous local community groups and met wonderful parents who want to contribute to our academy. These links have made it possible for us to run successful summer and winter fairs, events which have allowed us to offer a range of opportunities to students, from enterprise stalls to student reports to being one of Santa's elves. One parent worked hard to secure us a community grant from his company, allowing us to get more of our projects off the ground and invest in our space. We have run other fundraising and support events through the Unity community, with a particular success being our winter warmer night. Families came in to enjoy bingo and hot drinks and could take away a range of handy winter goods, including coats, warm clothes and bedding. We have recently formed a relationship with Greggs, who are providing us with goods that would otherwise go to waste each week.
Looking ahead, we know we have much more work to do and have several projects that we are working on at the moment. Firstly, we have used some of the money we were donated by Lloyds Banking Group to begin to create a community allotment on site. We have done this with the support of families who use the Unity community regularly and have already started taking groups of students out on a weekly basis. Our focus has been on our Key Stage 3 internal alternative provision students and students identified as needing one-to-one support from a safeguarding perspective. We have also embarked on a community project with Leeds citizens, and our newly created community action group is looking to take on the clean-up of our local area in conjunction with some of our local primary schools. At Dixons, we recognise that if we are to truly challenge educational disadvantage, it takes the hard work of a whole community. We are proud that this kind of work is happening across our trust, based on the voices of our families and working closely with innovative leaders across the public sector. We have so much to share and learn from the great work happening across our trust. Whether that is innovative delivery of NHS services at Dixons Trinity and Music Primary, the visionary creation of a community hub at Dixons Allerton, the targeted outreach work of Dixons Cottingley, or the entrepreneurial capacity of Dixons Manningham and Marchbank to secure opportunities and resources for our families.
If you'd like to come and be a part of our Unity community, please get in touch to arrange a visit. We would love to welcome you.